Well, this is like a gigantic truck backing up right into me. I don't know if he can see me, but this is right where the kids play, and this is the truck. And this is tiny little Forest Street, 28 feet wide. Hidden in the back there is the slurry truck, the one with all the oil. You can see the black steam coming out from the top. You can see the man inspecting all of the oil pipes. Well, so much for our peaceful little, tiny little subdivision. That was Northgate Rock Company. Oh, this is great. Look at this. This is a great place for kids to be playing. Oops, I guess if you don't want them hit by a truck, you don't bring them out here. This guy is going to be backing up all over the place, right into the street next to the other park. There are kids playing. Just 20 feet to the left of that truck he's going to go pick up, there are kids playing in the park, a little nursery daycare center.